Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Red Cross emblem. Use of Red Cross emblem is permitted only to Army Medical Corps and members of Army Medical Corps and members of Red Cross Society. As per Geneva Convention Act, Section 12 says that use of Red Cross emblem, red crescent, red crystal is prohibited or it is an offense if it is used without permission or without prior sanctioning from Union Government of India. So Red Cross emblem or Red Cross crescent or red crystal usage is punishable according to Section 12 in Geneva Convention Act. According to Section 13 of Geneva Convention Act, this prescribes the punishment. If the Red Cross symbol or emblem or crescent is used, then a fine up to 500 rupees and forfeiture of property or goods can also be done. Use of Red Cross is prohibited for medical practitioners. So medical practitioners should not use Red Cross emblem.
thank you and thank you for watching.